Okay, it's January 7, year 2024. I'm here at the Vintage Riders Manila. Okay guys, let me show you a bike. This is a vintage bike. It's only 39cc. So no need for registration. Okay, look at the engine. This is practically brand new. Oh. The bell. Look at the odometer there and the time. Look at the engine. Belt drive pa, oh. Okay, guys, I'll show you yung shop nila. Ang ganda, oh. Yung mga product nila. Ito, they have lots of mga accessories pang Vespa. Oh, save 50%. 30%. Dati, magkano dati?
Ano po? 4,295. Ngayon ano na lang po siya, 3,006 pesos.
Lahat yan, ito pang classic eh, no?
Yes po.
Ganyan shop dito. Dito kabisa, no? Alabang, Black 10. Ang tawag dito? Black 10?
Yes po.
Okay, that's about it. Thank you. Bili po ko sa motorcycle, eh. Oh. One time, bibiling ko rin yan.